I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I appreciate you guys subscribing and checking me out. I just picked up some GRAIL sneakers and I also have a giveaway along with these GRAIL sneakers. So I just want to show you guys what I picked up. I've waited about a week to drop this video so I could pick up the giveaway. It just dropped today, but I'm gonna go ahead and put these down here and unbox these one by one. Stay tuned, you guys. I'm gonna unbox the giveaway probably like, I don't know, towards the middle or middle to the end of the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this one first right here. It is a Travis Scott Jordan 1 and it is the low Travis Scott Jordan 1 low. I got the highs in the back. It's a personal pair. This one I picked up off of somebody that lives like actually here locally, and I got a pretty good deal on them. But yeah, it's the Travis 1 low. It is a very clean shoe. The backward swoosh. You got the nubuck on the toe box, Cactus Jack on the side, and Nike Air Tag right here on the tongue. And you got some rope laces on this one. Let's pull out this other one real quick. I got the Wings logo on the back on this one, and this one has the Travis Scott face, Cactus Jack face. This one's also got some pink rope laces, also some red wax laces, some flat laces, and it's got some black stock laces. These are used a 10.5, and they're still going for a pretty good price used. So if anybody's interested, hit me up on these. But that's the first shoe, the Travis Jordan 1 lows. I'm gonna do these ones next. These ones are super sick. Got these off of SneakerCon, and if you guys can't tell, this one's got holes in it. Maybe you guys know, but Jumpman on the plastic here, and this one is the OffWhite Jordan 4. Let's pull these out of the box. These are super nice, super nice. Got extra laces. You got some mint laces, some black laces, some cream laces. Actually, I think these ones are the cream on here. These are the white laces. So 3 laces, and then got the cream tag, cream everything. Like, I feel like a cream soda right now. Go get me one. But you got the mint, the hints of the mint on the bottom, the Nike swoosh right here, mint. These are so nice, you guys. And pictures don't do justice, but got the hang tag here. Got the Jumpman with the flight on the front. Not sure if you guys can see it, but I don't have my sneaker cam again, but you guys can see it. Nike Air on the back, and it's kind of like translucent. You can barely see it, but it's there. But yeah, these things are super dope, you guys. Just, I don't know what to say. They're at 8.5, and they don't fit me, but maybe I'll gift them to my wife. And I don't know, sometimes she doesn't watch my videos, so maybe she'll see this, maybe she won't, but maybe I'll gift these to my wife. Be quiet. Anyway, I'm gonna get into the next shoe, and I'm gonna lift it up here. Maybe you guys know what these are. That's right, another OffWhite box. And these ones I have never owned. I've had a few. I've had one other Jordan 1 OffWhites, but these are the Jordan 1 UNCs, you guys. OffWhite UNCs. This is my first pair of OffWhite UNCs. These are so freaking clean. Just so freaking nice. Wings logo, and it's just kind of, you know, flying. 85 on the inside here. OffWhite branding on the side here. Just exposed foam. Nike Air Tag in orange on the tongue. You got the legit tag from SneakerCon right here, red tag, off-white tag. You got extra laces in this, red, orange, blue, and white stock laces. And yeah, just another super sick pickup. Definitely going to be another one to go back on the shelf. I have to kind of restock the shelf back there. I just sold my Chunky Dunkies and I'm kind of heartbroken over it, but I'm glad I gave it a good home. So yeah, these things are going to replace whatever I've sold back there. But yeah, let's actually get into the giveaway, you guys. I just picked up two. Poster just fell. Oh well. I just picked up two of these at Finish Line today, and it is the Jordan 3 denims. Nike Air tag on the back. Got the Jumpman on the tongue. Very soft leather. Nike on the bottom, black and white bottoms. The denim is a nice touch. I really like these. I'm very tempted to keep a pair for myself and then give away one pair. The giveaway is definitely happening, guys. I'm gonna put a picture of these on my IG, and the rules is tag three friends on the IG post that I'm gonna put up on the screen right here. Like the post, tag 3 friends, and subscribe to my channel, and you will have you'll have entered the giveaway. Excuse me. So yeah, all these giveaways I've done so far, you guys, are coming out of my pocket. So the least I can ask is for you guys to tag a few friends on IG and help spread the word about my channel. So these are super clean, but I'm gonna give one of these to you guys. So that's my thanks for watching, and a little incentive to grow my channel. But anyway, if you guys are rocking with me, I appreciate it very much. I've said it in the past, and I'm going to continue to say it. I'm supporting the BLM and the Black Lives Matter movement, and it's really heartbreaking with what's going on, and police brutality is, I don't even know, it's hard to put into words. I'm a huge fan of the NBA, and seeing the NBA games postponed for what's going on is actually a huge step in the right direction, and I support all that. I support protesting. I support games being canceled, postponed. I support, you know, if it wasn't for black people in my life, I don't even know how my life would be, because I grew up on rap music. I grew up watching black athletes. I listen to black artists. I watch black people in movies, and it just, I don't know. My life would not be the same without black people in my life. So I wanted to put that out there, and it's, you know, I almost feel like I'm getting emotional over it, which is okay. I'm wearing my heart on my sleeve a little bit. I've had, you know, very close black friends growing up, and I just hate to see what's going on and the way the black community is treated. So whether I lose subscribers over this or not is the least of my concerns. I don't really care. I just had to vent my emotions and my opinion on the matter. I feel like silence is violence, so I can't sit here and stay quiet and you know, continue to, you know, stay quiet about the matter. So anyway, hopefully this is a little positive video with what's going on. I just picked up some new sneakers, wanted to unbox them for you guys and give away a pair of these to you guys. So I appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.